Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another weekend update of the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. Before we jump into the portfolio, obviously the markets are closed. It's the weekend. It's almost also a long weekend in Canada, so it was a family day long weekend. Markets will be closed again tomorrow, but we'll get another video during the week at some point. So if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We've got a great community started here. There's almost actually 700 subscribers to the channel, so that's pretty awesome. I thank everybody who's joined along. Love all your comments. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are, a Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. This is the app we're using up on the month, which is kind of nice. We'll get into how the portfolio is doing, and we'll show you how we kind of closed off on Friday. If you've been watching the market, following the market, checking your investments, it's been a rocky time, and Thursday, Friday was not the greatest on the markets. I think we're gonna probably have, like we've been talking about for a while, a lot of turbulence and choppiness for the next little bit. But we're gonna stay with our plan. We're gonna stick with our investments, with our goals, long-term goals for this portfolio. So not too worried at this point, and let's just jump in, show you how we did to wrap up Friday. All right, not everything actually was down. So Brookfield Renewables, BEP.UN, up a tiny bit, a little bit nice to see a bit in the green, 43.55 it closed off on. We have 10 shares of that. Still down, unfortunately, 6.26%. Seems to be, this one it's just not getting a break. It was up quite a bit more earlier in the year, but I think we're going to keep adding to this position, and we'll see how it goes. CMC, Cielo Waste Solutions, up 2.94%. This one's, again, way down in general. We're down 71.74% on that one. We're just going to hang on to that one, keep it in there. We'll add slowly to that. I'm not going to be in any hurry to. I think we have some time to kind of, lower our average cost on Cielo Waste Solutions. ETC, this is our Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETF. Cryptocurrency, if you're watching, it's open 24/7. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency anytime. It's actually down again on the weekend. Not a good look, but that's okay. Down 2.62% on the day, but I think in the long term, and it seems to be kind of the consensus of the channel, a lot of people left comments on cryptocurrency saying, they're long term, they are quite bullish on this as well. So we'll see how it does. We're going to keep adding to that. We have 99 shares. I want to kind of try and add, even one of these shares a week. We are trying to keep the portfolio up to about 10%. So maybe nothing on Tuesday. We'll see how things go. But we are unfortunately down 29.16%. But we will still be adding to that if I can get some of them in under $10. I think that's okay. It will bring our average cost down, which is always nice. Greenlane Renewables down a little bit, 1.82% on Friday. We are down 22.66%. That being said, average price is 140, so we're still well under our average price. And if I see this kind of come down again, if I had the opportunity the last time I bought this stock, I bought 100 shares at $1, which if I can possibly see this go down in price again, I'll probably take another 100 shares on that if it can get down to $1. We'll see how that goes. REI.UN, RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This is our this is our REIT that we have on the portfolio. Just down a little bit, 0.04% on Friday, but we are actually doing quite well on this one. We're up 18.48% on RioCan, which is pretty awesome. Pretty happy about that. That's keeping the portfolio in a bit better shape. Definitely pays to have a bit of a diversified portfolio, as I'm seeing here. RNW down just a little bit on the day, 0.54%. We're still unfortunately down on this one. We have 38 shares of TransAlta Renewables, down 14.06%. Still haven't done any changes to their dividends though, so we'll still be adding to this one. Keep an eye on that and adding stocks to that as we make our deposits. Solar Alliance Energy up 4.76%, but unfortunately we can go down and we can see here our total value down unfortunately 60%. It's these little small cap little companies that will definitely take a hit, but again they can drop quite a bit. Hopefully we'll get some gains on that. There's no point in necessarily selling these at this point. I don't want to take, there's no benefit of selling a stock for a loss in your TFSA, so we're going to ride that out, see how that goes down the road. SOT.UN, this is our Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust. This one was up actually over $5.10 earlier in the day, which was kind of nice because our average price is $5.16. So we're kind of hovering around there. We're close to that. We are down 1.86%. But that being said, 69 shares, we are getting our regular dividends. I just saw some news from the company. Dividends hasn't changed. Same distribution coming up at the end of for the next month as well. So good one to hold. I'm kind of happy with that. It's been doing okay. Nice to get those regular dividends. Telus is the star of the portfolio, it seems. It has been on a tear lately, up 32.13. Telus is also a channel favorite. Everybody seems to mention in the comments down below they have Telus, they love Telus. So nothing to complain about actually for me. 0.66% up on the day, 32.13. I think that's an all-time high actually. If you look at that, no, I'm wrong. 52-week all-time high is 32.26. So we're pretty close to that, which is nice. We're up 14.05% on our 17 shares of Telus. And our last two, these are our ETFs. These ones are taking a bit of a hit with the market. Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index ETF, lots of bank stocks in this one. Down obviously on the day, 0.54%, but we're still up 14.46%, 44 shares. We'll still be adding to this if the price is down. You know, again, long-term investment goals. We'll just keep adding to that slowly but surely. I'm not going to try and win any races with his portfolio by all means. VFV, this is the S&P 500 Index ETF. This is a good kind of way of looking at how the market is doing, is an index ETF, and you can see we're obviously down. So 98.54 we closed off. We are down 0.69%, so basically kind of almost even on the portfolio. That being said, I did purchase one of these actually earlier in the week on February 17th. I got one for $99.52. So I just added one share of VFE. So to add there, if I can bring our average cost down, always happy about that. Again, long-term holding. We'll just see how we're doing here and how we're actually up on the past month, up 3%, which is nice. But let's just go see here. We were down unfortunately on the day. Now it says 250.54. I did do that deposit, so that's what's throwing off the graph on there. But if we go to the week, we closed off, you know, basically in the week we down 138.24, which I think is pretty good. The portfolio seems to be holding up okay. On the month, up 253.76, so 3%. And then we're going to get into 3 months. Unfortunately, we're down $381.69. Our 1 year will be $353.97, and our all-time will be the same. We haven't been going for quite a year, only going since April. $353.97. Now I'm pretty good with that. Just under 4%, which is nice on the portfolio. I think we can gain that back quite easily. I think one thing that we're definitely down on is some of those small cap companies that we took a bit of risk on, but we're going to hold those. But also the evolved cryptocurrency ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum. If we see some price, movements on that up, we'll be gaining back that 4% quite quickly. So not too worried. Again, in the meantime, we'll keep adding to our other positions in the portfolio and just go and do slow and steady deposits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget down in the comments below, let me know how your portfolio did through the week. I think we're going to be in for another week or so of this volatility, I guess we'll call it now. So definitely not a great time to make any kind of rash decisions, I find, with your portfolio. Just stick to your plan, and that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you are as well. If you aren't subscribed, you've made it this far, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Always great to have new people join the channel. If you have a comment or question, leave me a comment down below in this video or any of the other videos. I do my best to answer them for you. I'm not a financial planner, but I can always hopefully try and steer you in the right direction. That's all, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.